What's going on? Welcome back. We got a new one here for you. It's a brand new 2022 Street Glide. Only has 170 miles. We're gonna put factory 47 bars chrome. Brand new 2022. So let's get into it. So I just wanted to stop the video real quick and explain that when you're running 14-inch bars, you're gonna have to cut some zip ties to get the clips to run to the actual bars, because if you notice on the actual handlebar, they only stick out that much. So always my recommendation is get the wiring extension kit. That way you don't have to do all this shit. You can run them back to the OEM. You don't have to cut anything, but we have to run the wires back up to the handlebar bracket, to the clamps, so that way it all fits up. All right. Also, for your clutch line, or actually your brake line, it's gonna have a zip tie here. Cut the zip tie and it'll extend. For the actual clutch line, we do have to extend that one, aside from cutting that that zip tie as well on the other end. So we'll go ahead and finish it up. Bike is done. Factory 47 bars. Assault 14-inch. We use the stock internal lines. We use the stock brake line. We did extend the clutch cable, but the bars are done. It looks nice and clean. Very nice. I like how it sits, nice and upright. It's pretty close to the fender, but it's not touching, so it has wiggle room for vibration. All right, once again, I appreciate everybody watching. This is the 2022 Street Glide with the factory 47 bars. If you guys have any questions, put them in the comments below. I'll get back to you. Appreciate everybody for watching once again. Thank you. And I'll be posting more content as more projects come in. Ride safe. Peace.